All right, today we're going to be adding and subtracting numbers with decimals. Going to be a lot like your regular adding and subtracting. That decimal though, as long as you add it up, you'll be, as long as you line it up, you will be just fine. Let's take a look. 68 and 24 hundredths plus 7 and 1/10. Different number of place values. I've lined them up here. The decimal is on top of the decimal, on top of the decimal, and it will drop straight down into our answer, kind of like it has a huge weight on it. If you take a look, the first thing I did was line all this up. Second thing I did was to fill this hole. You don't absolutely need to, but it will keep you organized and you'll know what's really there. There's no value, so I can fill it in with a happy 0 to keep my answer happy and correct. Next thing I'm going to do is add this all up. 4 plus my happy 0 gives me 4. 2 plus 1, still 3. My decimal, already in my answer, already in the right place. 8 plus 7 is 15. 6 and 1 gives me 7. 75 and 34 hundredths. Take a look at these steps. That's what we did. Lined it up, filled the holes with happy 0s, added, and we dropped our decimal down. You can drop your decimal down right away so you don't forget it in your answer, or you can save it for your last step, your final thing. Make yourself a habit, make it yours, and make it happen. Let's try subtraction. Same kind of thing. I've got it going across. 478 and 1/10. Subtract 23 and 71 hundredths. I've lined up my decimals. I love to bring them down right away. It just, gravity works. Filled in my happy 0. I now need to subtract. You can see how this happy 0 is helping me remember that I can't just put a 1 down here. I need to do some trading. Here we go. 0 minus 7. Trading across a decimal is not a problem. While you're working, pretend it's not there. If you want to visualize it, you're trading your 1 unit in for those tiny fingernail orange pieces, your tenths. 7 minus 2 is 5. Make sure I subtract all the way across. Watching your sign is as important here as it is in any adding and subtracting. 454 and 39 hundredths. Just remember, line them up, make that decimal fall right down. Happy 0s will keep your answer happy, keep you organized, and again, another great time to take out that graph paper if you're having any trouble keeping things lined right up. Thanks and good luck.